We're gonna. I can even carry on.
So guys, right now, we're on a fucking train.
Who's watching then? Let's go. We're gonna hit the tunnel, so I'm gonna lose this live stream any minute now. There's Doc's over there. It's fucking twisting like fuck.
Hey, it's gonna turn.
Alright, Taylor, mate.
No, it's gonna turn when we get inside the tunnel.
Yeah, you'll be fine. You're not gonna get fucking killed on that bit. You'll be fine. You won't get hurt.
You sure? We're not gonna get fucking nailed in the tunnel.
Hey, we're gonna hit the tunnels now, so I'm gonna lose service. We're going underground.
Peace, homies.
See you in a bit, everyone. Yo, see you in a bit.
I wanna stand inside just so I know that